So let's talk about the three top most oversold stocks to invest in. Again, these stocks are not ones that are going to break the bank. These ones are safer stocks, more reliable stocks. So if you get antsy trading stocks, these are probably better ones for you to invest in because I don't see them going anywhere in the near future. Now, diving into the first one, we broke this down in our team's live trading session. We also broke it down in our chat. This is ticker symbol V or Visa. Now, looking right at the charts, the reason why I think it's such a good buying opportunity is I use the 180-day simple moving average. This is that blue line right here. As you can see, every single time it broke below it, it presented a really good buying opportunity. This time it went from 180 up to 220, and then right here it went from 190 up to 230. Now right now it's at about $225 a share. Again, if it breaks this $230 level, I think it'll be huge for the stock. I know I sound like a broken record, but we always talk about stocks have to move 2 steps higher, 1 step back, 2 steps higher, 1 step back. What I mean by that is a big move up, then a solid pullback, and then another rip all the way up. Now, this is a trend. It's forming a positive bullish trend going upward. Right now, it's just doing 2 steps down, 1 step up, 2 steps down, 1 step up. By breaking the $230 level, it'll confirm the reversal and start heading up. So my buy order is at $230. I already have a few shares of this company right now, looking to add more. Now, the next one is ADSK, Autodesk. A really good one, same exact play. Now look at it, it's already starting to confirm reversal. This is the 9 exponential moving average and it just broke above it right here. So as we can see, if it breaks the 180-day simple moving average, I think it'll trend much, much higher. Now again, I already broke it down so you can see every time it dipped below this blue line, it presented a really good buying opportunity. So I really like this company. I already am going to invest in today. I have not bought a position yet. The MACD lines are crossing. It was oversold on the RSI. All the indicators look great. Now, where do we plan on cutting losses? Because not every single trade can go great. So where I plan on cutting losses, if it breaks below the $270 level. So talking winning ratios, if I plan on cutting losses at $270 at negative 4%, I need to make at least 8%. Now on this one, I plan on making anywhere from 12 to 20%. If we go back to all-time highs, that's about a 20% gain. So if I'm risking $20 a share, I want to make minimum $40 to $60 a share. So I will sell this company, or the stock, sorry, at around $350 to $330 a share. Now the last one is UiPath. This is one of my favorite all-time companies, but as you can see, it's been doing not good for the past few weeks. It continually keeps trending down. It had IPO'd a few months ago, had a great run up, but since then has been tapering off. Now, there's a lot of volume, as you can see in the last few days. But at these $50 levels, I'm willing to take a risk, and I purchased about 500 shares. I'm looking to purchase another 500, so I'll be heavily invested in the stock. Now, again, if you're not good at risk management, I do not suggest investing in this stock right now because the stock has continually sold off. It had a negative earnings report about a week and a half ago, and that served as a negative news catalyst. Since then, it's almost in a full recovery, but not quite. The stock can very likely continue to trend down. There's no doubt about it. We want to see it continually trend up. So what we're looking at, again, is that 2-step up analogy, 1 step back, and it's not getting that right now. I think it's going to bottom out at around $50 a share. I really do think it hit its bottom. But a good bullish signal for me is a break of $56. The reason that's so huge is because now it's starting to make higher highs. If it breaks $56, that will be huge. And then my next add spot would be the break of $60 a share. So those are my top 3 most oversold stocks that I'm personally buying in the next week or so. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys got something out of this video, please consider liking and subscribing. But other than that, I'll catch you guys in our very next video.